Let's face it, in this age of social distancing, video conferencing is our only lifeline to the outside world. And Zoom is the most popular, but it's not the only option. Here are some alternatives. First off, CNET did a list of the top 10 Zoom alternatives, and you should definitely check out that list. But I'm going to concentrate on just 3. Google Meet, Facetime, and Skype. Second, Zoom has a free version and a paid version which has features like recording and personal meeting IDs. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to compare the free version of Zoom to these other free services. First off, Google Meet. Now originally, Meet was only for Google Business Client customers. But with the success of Zoom, Google has now made Meet free for all Google account users. Meet allows you to share your screen, have up to 250 people on a call, and you can record your screen via Google Drive. But one thing that Google Meets has that Zoom does not is the ability to tap into Google's AI technology for closed captioning. Unlike Zoom, Meet does not allow you to chat with someone individually on a call. And of course, no fancy virtual backgrounds. But Google, taking a page from Zoom's early security flaws, has some built-in security features like complex meeting IDs and passwords. Zoom has brought in those features with some recent updates, but it certainly learned the hard way through security breaches like Zoom bombing. FaceTime is Apple's video calling service, and it works seamlessly throughout the Apple ecosystem if you have an Apple device. But that also means it's pretty secure as it's end-to-end encrypted. Now, unlike Meet's and Zoom's gallery view, FaceTime utilizes a floating tile effect where the person talking is front and center while the other participants hang in the background. It's a cool feature for sure, but when you have 32 people on a call, that interface could look a little busy. But FaceTime does come packed with some unique features like animojis, memojis, stickers, effects, and filters, although they are only available on the iPhone and iPad. If you'd like to learn more about them, check out our tips and tricks how-to. Now with all those features, FaceTime is missing a few things like chat, screen sharing, and screen recording. Nothing like that is built into the app. And finally, Skype, which started out in 2003. Skype allows up to 50 people on a call. You can chat, share your screen, record your call, and you can even send and receive emojis. Just like Meets, Skype also has closed captioning. Now, the one thing that makes Skype unique is the ability to send an invite to someone who doesn't have a Skype account. That person would just need to download the Skype app. Now, until recently, Skype only allowed you to blur the background, which was a cool effect, but not always helpful. But a recent update to Skype now allows for virtual backgrounds, just like Zoom. So, a little more helpful. At the end of the day, there are a ton of video calling services out there. I only really scratched the surface, and they all come with their own unique features. But Zoom is still the most popular. But what do you think? Leave a comment below on the service that you like to use, or a comment about this video, but just be a little kind. This is my first one. I'm normally behind the camera. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.